we want to make our ID be 4 characters, and if the ID is not 4 characters, we want to add leading zeros. To do this, we press Add Custom Column, and we use the formula Text.PadStart. In this formula, we add the original column name, how many characters we want, in this case 4, and lastly the character we want to insert if the ID is not 4 characters. Now we have the IDs with 4 characters and leading zeros. We can add type text to the column, then we don't need to format it afterward. If our original column is numbers instead of strings, our custom column shows an error. To fix this, we need to add number to text to our formula to convert our numbers to strings, making it possible to add leading zeros. Lastly, if we have multiple columns that should be combined into one unique ID column, we can replicate the formula like this, and we end up with the unique IDs coming from multiple columns.